Medical doctors are incredibly important to the people of our province and world. A career in medicine is an opportunity to do exciting hands-on work that is highly valued by society. There's no better place to study medicine than the USask College of Medicine. Our college offers the best training possible for doctors, especially those who go on to practice here in Saskatchewan. You'll gain experience in a range of urban, rural, remote, and Indigenous communities. Our program is especially known for the many and early opportunities for hands-on clinical learning. You will learn in new, state-of-the-art clinical and research facilities. Ours is a student-friendly environment with many opportunities for one-to-one mentorship from physicians who know your name. Our medical doctor program is also exceptional in Canada because of the diverse avenues for entry. A 4-year undergraduate degree that can be focused in science, arts, humanities, or other disciplines. A top choice of our medical students for their pre-degree is our biomedical sciences. The USask Colleges of Medicine and Arts and Science have partnered on a modern, revamped degree offering in the biomedical sciences. You can apply to this brand new direct entry program now. There is no better place than USask for biomedical and health science studies. It's the only university in Canada with all the health sciences located on one campus. And it's home to Vito Intervac, world leader in vaccines and infectious diseases, as well as the Canadian Light Source Synchrotron. The new USask Biomedical Sciences program provides a solid academic foundation grounded in innovative interdisciplinary research and experiential learning opportunities. All of the 4 majors offered prepare students for success in a wide range of careers in the health sciences, including medicine, veterinary medicine, kinesiology, pharmacy, physical therapy, and of course in research. These degrees also prepare you to work as biomedical science experts in other fields: business, communications, teaching, and regulatory industries, to name a few. The USask Medical Doctor and Biomedical Science programs are second to none. Together, they provide a solid future in medicine. If your ultimate path is to medicine, choose from diverse 4-year USask degree options, including biomedical sciences. If you're uncertain but interested in a future in the health sciences, a USask biomedical science degree is an ideal path.